Hey everybody, it's great to see you again. I am going back to my island ways today. We are going to film a hairstyle video outside because I don't know about you, but I enjoy being outside. I washed my hair this morning, so it's still a little bit damp. I'm going to do a hairstyle that I think is very simple, but also gives you the effect of having hair that frames your face. So I have it in a bun. I'm going to take my bun down. And to start off this look, we're going to make a poof in the front. So I just kind of trace it with my fingers and poof everything up in the front. It's easiest for me to do it when I look straight up. And right now I'm looking straight up underneath these trees, and it is absolutely beautiful. There are birds and squirrels. We don't have squirrels in Micronesia. There are rats, which are definitely not fun. And I have my bobby pins with me, so I'm going to bobby pin it right here. And this just gives a little bit of volume on the top of our head. Helps us to avoid having that scraped back hair look. There we go. Just poof it up a little bit. Whoops. If you go overboard, that's okay. There. That looks quite nice. And what I'm going to do is make a low 4-strand braid. I love 4-strand braids. They look complicated, but they're very pretty. I'm not going to French braid it. I'm simply going to make a 4-strand braid. So what I'm going to do is I have the 4 sections. I will turn around so I can show you what we're doing. I like to split everything in 2 and then divide this one in half and this one in half. This side is going to go over, under, and over. So super easy. Over, under, over. Over, under, over. I'm going to turn around now so I can flip it over my shoulder. My little girl, my youngest, she's 2. She has a teddy bear that's her favorite toy. And lately, she's not quite 2.5, but she has been doing the voices for Teddy. And you can always tell when it's Teddy talking, not Sophie, because Teddy's voice is fast and a bit high-pitched, and it's so cute. See, I'm gonna go over, under, over, but it's so cute. We were putting her to bed the other night and she said she was holding Teddy because she always goes to bed with Teddy, and she cuddled him real close, and this high-pitched fast little voice said, "I love you, Sophie." And then Sophie hugged him tighter and she said, "Aw, I love you too." It was so adorable. My husband and I just looked at each other like, oh, I can't stand it. This is so adorable. I'm hoping that I can catch it on video one day. Don't you just love little children, especially when they're your own? And you see, I reached the end, so I have my ponytail holder. We're just going to tie it off, fluff it up a little bit, and we are done with this look. So super easy, and the nice thing is it's going to create beautiful braid waves with my slightly dampened hair. And if you want to, you can kind of even pull it out here on the top just to give you a little bit of a loose look. Here's this hairstyle. I hope you like it as much as I do. It's a beautiful look for super clean hair, which is what I have today. Thank you for joining me outside on this beautiful day as we try another hairstyle for long hair, and I hope to see you again soon in our next video. Bye!